Folks, now we've been up in this tower and we climbed right up it. We're going to climb right down it right now, so don't get... We want to caution you that what you're seeing right now may not be for the squeamish people. So viewer discretion is advised, okay? Coming! As we're climbing down the tower, I want to warn people that this is not for squeamish people, so discretion is advised. The following video here, I gotta be focused, folks, so it might be a little slippery, so I'm coming right down. My friend is waiting down there for me. Seeing as you get lower, scenery kind of gets a little more lower than that. Okay, here we go. We shot it going up, now we're shooting it going down. And you can see how lower we're getting. Now we're almost to the bottom, folks. And here we are, getting down straight to the bottom. It's like a bottomless pit down here. Black Eye Susan's there. And here we are, we're right at the bottom. Live from Parry Sound, Ontario. Again, this following video may not be for squeamish people, so discretion is advised. And this is what we were just up. And that's all for now, folks. Live from Parry Sound, Ontario, from the bottom of the lookout tower.